What if every YouTube channel had a book avatar in real life? A physical object that could save you time and have anytime available offline, access to premium information, a printed book with the best talks from a YouTube channel that you feel useful. For example, the best 100 talks about money, from alex.com, or the best 100 TED Talks about life problems. You name it. I am launching the ebook called Life Problem Solving Talks, Best of Enrich Talks YouTube channel, a collection with best of from Enrich Talks YouTube channel 77 talks. Pure truth and answers to life questions. Why you're not so special. Why people die. Why you don't have motivation. Hungry for money, not food. Love is not enough. Just take a look and convince yourself. Visit my Etsy shop, link in description of this video. The cost of a burger, $6 price. And you receive also a free book called Education: The Insurance for Future. Everyone is blaming education. Is drooping school to become rich? Still, in one moment in life, you will need some knowledge, manners, social skills, experiences. And don't have enough. Because you didn't learn. When was the right time in life to learn? They want you stupid. The rich must know the laws, teachers must have charisma, and you must learn a skill that brings you money long term. Nobody can steal from you the education and knowledge you have and the life experiences that shaped you. I have other helpful materials on my Etsy shop, link in description of this video. Would you give up eating one burger, skip a meal, and buy my book? Play and try solving your life problems today, once and for all. You know those problems you hide, ignore, or struggle daily. What if every YouTube channel had a book avatar in